This December, I'm going to be partnering up with High Level to bring you guys a 3-day workshop where I reveal a brand new model to land clients in 2024 that has virtually zero competition. On day one, I'm going to break down the offer, the pricing, the service delivery, and everything you need to get your clients amazing results. On day two, I'm going to be giving away the Instagram DM scripts, the cold email scripts, the ads, and the funnels, and everything that you need to land clients with this model. And on day three, I'm gonna show you how to leverage AI and High Level to automate everything. Oh, and by the way, if you show up live, I'm going to be giving you access to all of my courses ever with over 1,000 hours of content showing you how to scale all the way to 7 figures for free. So make sure to click below ASAP, reserve your spot, and we'll see you then.